Hello from Ekudden on Flaten Lake in Stockholm. This is an unofficial nudist beach spot in the Flaten Nature Reserve that you can find your own peace here in the forest, and that is a bit hidden from the public beaches with some forest over here, and it stretches along this 200 meters like a small bay, and it is an amazing day to explore and to do another beach adventure. So this one is very close to my home, just 8 kilometers with my gravel bike. It takes less than 20 minutes to get here, so it is perfect for a quick swim here on this beautiful day, 6th of August 2024. We have 24 degrees Celsius in the air, and it is 23 degrees Celsius in the lake, so it is very, very warm. So this spot is located also around 1 kilometer from the closest beach, Lilla Flattenbadet, that is in that direction, and it's not so visible behind the trees. There is also Flattenbadet, Barnbadet here in the close by, and then the big Stora Flattenbadet I can see in the distance. So Flaten Lake is obviously a great lake to swim throughout the whole summer, but also in autumn and spring it is quite warm. And I have been on this lake several times before because it's very convenient to get here, and also the lake is super clean. I can see through the whole lake. And here on this nudist beach spot we have also a tree in the lake that you can also jump from if you go on it, because it is very deep at that point. Right out in the forest on this nudist beach spot, unofficial one, as it is and it's a bit hidden from the public beaches with the branches here and the forest. Right, so let's then get going and take a swim in the Flaten Lake, because it is very hot. Here we have no wind at all in this spot, so it is even hotter. It feels like 40 to be fair, when the wind is not blowing. Right, so check out the water. It is so clean and so nice in the water. It's so beautiful. So beautiful indeed. And yes, Flaten Lake is obviously in a nature reserve, same name as the lake, Flaten. And I can see here some of the beach spots as well that I have visited earlier this year. Alright, then let's get going and take a swim here at Ekudden, this unofficial nudist beach in Stockholm. Let's go! Amazing, it's so beautiful. What a wonderful swim here in Flaten Lake and this wonderful big spot. Here we can see also Lilla Flattenbadet and Flattenbadet Barnband, but it is quite far and not so visible if you're in the water, obviously. Right, so beach day number 113 today. It is on my Sweden beach adventures, and boy, it gets very deep right here after just 5 meters from the shore. And yep, so that's a wrap then from Ekudden, this wonderful beach spot that I have discovered by mistake while exploring here in the Flaten Nature Reserve. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.